Hello everyone, and welcome to Today we're going to be making frosted sugar cookies. What you'll need for this recipe is 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a lonesome egg, and 1 cup of butter. Let's first add in some of the dry ingredients. Okay, so we're going to add in the baking soda because I already added in the baking powder off camera. So we're going to do 2 half teaspoons of the baking soda. Right. Now we're going to add in the sugar with the wet ingredients. So sugar, butter, and vanilla. Mix that together. Save the egg for last. So you want to make sure that it's nice and mixed in. So it should look something like this when it's done. Beautiful blob. Let's get excited. Okay, it's time to mix it. One time I made eggs, but they were raw, so you could probably imagine how that went. So now I have my sister here to help me blend the flour and butter mixture together. So she's got a scoop and she's just gonna pour it in slowly while I mix. Wait. Yeah, I got flour. Flour's in my nose. Yeah, I got flour. I'm just gonna keep on mixing it in until it's a complete dough. So
Pick it up,
scoop.
and
Okay,
click the
so-
floppy.
Oh. Beautiful. Okay, so we've got a little bit more, so we're gonna get another pan set and ready, and we'll be back.
Some more.
Put some more.
Put some more.
Don't be shy. Put some more.
Don't be shy. Just put some
Good.
more.
Put some more.
Go ahead. Put some more.
Put some more.
Put some more.
There's so many errors on this constitution.
Oh!
I find it extremely hilarious. So many errors.
I wonder how I look.
Yes, you find it extremely hilarious.
Extremely. I'm aware that I'm being recorded, just so you know. Right. Oh my! I was right there. So now we take it out of the oven, and since my sister's a scaredy cat, I'm just gonna place this out.
Hey, don't judge me.
Here? Okay. Not really. No, we're just gonna place it on the table.
Okay, so you want to keep it in the oven for either 8 to 10 minutes or until they are golden. These are golden.
No, they're not.
There's one thing that I'm pretty good at baking, cooking though. It is chickpeas that have flavor. Yeah.